Today we're giving you guys a beginner's guide to spicy stovetop popcorn.
So stick around. Welcome back to College Kitchen. I'm Karen.
I'm Robin.
And we are teaching you how to make spicy stovetop popcorn in today's awesome College Kitchen video. Because this one loves popcorn.
It's literally my favorite food ever.
I think from like the time you were born basically, or at least had teeth to eat, you've been eating popcorn. Handfuls of it.
Probably true. Speaking of snacks that I love, my other favorite would have to be kale chips, which we made a video on. If you want to check that out, go ahead and click up here.
Yeah, it's a great video. In fact, that's one of the videos where Robin actually teaches me how to make something. And she's kind of going to be teaching me in this one too, because
yeah, part 2.
She is the popcorn lover. I like popcorn, but I don't have to have it every second of the day, which I feel like she totally does. So she's kind of going to be taking the reins in this one and teaching me how to make the spicy stovetop popcorn. So let's get started.
Okay.
We've popped our popcorn. We've melted our butter.
We got our spicy
Cajun. Ooh, yummy. We're gonna pour everything into this bowl and mix it all around and then eat.
Easy as that.
Look at this bowl of spicy stovetop popcorn.
I'm so excited to
that
eat
took
it.
us less than 10 minutes to make all of it. So if you really want some delicious, not microwaved popcorn.
Midnight snack.
Yeah, you can make some on the stovetop and it's
Except for
easy.
It might be a little loud if you have people asleep.
Oh, come on. You're all in college. You're all up past midnight, right?
Oh.
Right?
I guess.
Let's try it.
Yay.
Ooh, I like that spice.
It's so good.
It's really light and flavorful, and it's that spice. Like, let's give a little warning here. You
don't inhale it.
I accidentally inhaled it before I even tasted some popcorn and had like a coughing attack for 5 minutes. We might put that in the blooper reel later on.
It was really funny.
We had to do a couple of takes of actually tasting the popcorn because I couldn't stop coughing. But it's really delicious. So if you want it spicier, you can add obviously more of the Cajun spice. Robin put in just the right amount, I think, because
I am a popcorn spicing queen.
Yes, she knew just exactly how many times.
I know how it goes.
She's made this before.
I'm eating more.
Also, this is super easy. Like, your kids can make this. If you're in college, you can make this, as Robin said, a midnight snack. Moms and dads, if you just need like some downtime together and you're gonna watch some Netflix,
spicy popcorn.
Here's your treat. It's like the easiest thing.
Also like bonding.
And
my dad taught me how to make this when I was little.
There you go.
So
it's like a little tradition that you can start with your fam. Also, this was half a cup of popcorn kernels.
Yeah, this half a cup. It made a huge
An entirely huge bowl. So this is a really inexpensive snack also. Yeah. I feel like everybody needs to know how to make stovetop popcorn, especially how easy it is.
Plus, stovetop popcorn is like way healthier for you than microwave popcorn.
Oh, 1,000,000%.
Because you can control how much butter and whatever you put in. Microwave popcorn just drenches it,
and also
it tastes good, but it's real bad for you.
Also, that microwave popcorn, as easy as it is to pop in the microwave, It's got a lot of chemicals in it to keep it so that it like stays for a really long time. And this is all natural. You just get the kernels, pop it on your stove with a little bit of oil, and then add butter if you want butter, add spices if you want spices, and there you go.
Easy.
So easy. Leave us a comment below and let us know what your favorite popcorn flavor is.
Mine is white cheddar. I love it. I try every single brand of it. I'm on a mission to find the best one out there.
Yeah. Everywhere we go, she will try a white cheddar.
If I find a new brand, I'm like, I have to get it and I have to try it.
My favorite is that zebra popcorn. It's got like white and dark chocolate swirls, and then I think it might even have caramel in it or something. Oh man, it's so good. I love it.
I will say the one popcorn I refuse to eat is sweet popcorn.
Yeah.
I will not eat it. I think it's disgusting.
I don't like all sweet popcorns, but that zebra popcorn, that one's all for me.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure and subscribe to us. It really helps us out. And go ahead and click that bell notification because then you'll know when we post new recipes.
Every Friday. We'll see you next time on College Kitchen.
Bye.
Bye.